Good afternoon, YouTube. Today in the Outdoor Cook Shack, I'll be doing a whole smoked chicken. I think it's like 3 3/4 pounds. Give you a look at it here. Chicken I chose, I'm not sure how to pronounce the brand name, but what I noticed and I like about this brand is it's air chilled, so it's not thrown in a big saltwater solution once they butcher it. I'm going to go ahead and stuff it with onion and garlic, brush with olive oil and then some Greek seasoning. And I'm also enjoying a few Shell's cave-aged beers tonight. But I do have the Camp Chef Woodwind right now running on high smoke. I turned it on probably about 20 minutes ago. And I'm using their premium hardwood hickory pellets. I did put a piece of cardboard up here to help the Camp Chef Woodwind draw up maybe a little warmer air. Right now I believe it's like 30 some degrees outside. And here in the cook shack it's just a little over 60. I fired up the 30,000 BTU burner about 20 minutes ago, and about 10 minutes ago I turned it down to low. Alright, the chicken is on, just coming up on 2 minutes now. The Camp Chef's at 200 degrees. Of course I just had it open. I'm going to give you a quick peek at what I got going on. You can see there are the chicken and the chicken neck. I do have a pan of water below it with some onion and garlic and also adding moisture to the cooking chamber. I do have the probe in the breast, and we're going to go to 165. There we go, let's close it up and enjoy that Shell's Cave Aged. Here are the russet potatoes cut into wedges. I do have this garlic roasted potato seasoning sauce that I'll be using, and I did also season it with some hickory smoked sea salt and fresh cracked pepper. I do have an onion there cut in half with some butter and some Camp Chef Kickin' barbecue seasoning and also salt and pepper. So right now we're coming up on an hour and 8 minutes, I believe it looks like. Camp Chef I have not opened up yet. It's been running right around 220. Let's go ahead and take a look. There it is. Here we are, just a little over an hour, almost an hour and 11 minutes. I do have the chicken all on the pan. Let's go ahead and take a look what the probe says. The probe says 109 degrees. Go ahead and give me a quick peek. There the chicken is. Kind of lost track of what time we're at here. It's like a half hour now since potatoes have been on. Go ahead and take a look at the chicken temp. Chicken's up to 149. Check out the sunset. Here we are, just coming up on 2 hours and 6 minutes. See, the chicken has just come up to 167. Pull the chicken off and let it rest and crank it up. Here the chicken is after 2 hours. Go ahead and cover with aluminum foil and see if we get those potatoes done. Here we are 10-15 minutes later. Potatoes are done nice. You can see the onion. Done. And as always, thanks for watching. Go ahead and click on that subscribe button. If you want to learn more about Camp Chef products, just go ahead and click on the link in the description.